Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Jojo, and
Shruti.
yes, it's time to twirl a bit. This one's called Bum Twirl specifically.
What?
Very weird, but highly requested because we reacted to Rosio's track. Remember OMG? Oh my God, with Hassan Naeem.
Yes.
So
Yes.
so a lot of requests for his other stuff, and this one is with someone we already know. That's Talal Qureshi. Like they're all one big gang, all of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this one's requested. Let's get to it.
Okay.
Dekte
Sure.
what they're doing.
Okay.
I'm expecting some good beats from Talal.
Yeah. But before even we get into it, bum twirl, thoda weird nahi hai? Twirl to is like okay. And I'm like trying to first set the visual in my head because that's what words do.
Yeah.
So theek hai. Okay.
I'm trying to. I feel it could be like a step in the song. I don't know.
Possibly. Okay, theek hai.
Let's see. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
So what's next for Rosie? What's the next big thing?
I'm basically working on an EP. It's got like 4 tracks. Bangers, bro. 4 of them.
Bangers, नहीं.
Sorry?
तो क्या आपकी राय है आजकल के बच्चों की सोच के ऊपर? काफी लोग लिबरल होते जा रहे हैं आजकल की दुनिया में. क्या आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इस बारे?
Alright, let's go. Now I'm at far right, now far left. I'm farting, flow sick in motion, kinetosis, I'm boffin. Mid dawn, good morning. Writing on and on and I come with some bomb shit. I'm from Pakistan and that is not alarming, except when I'm on offense. On the paper drawing arms, not limbs. Taliban with the ball pen. Chai, come wo cheez zyada banati. Dil, come wo chuna zyada lagati. Wo miss kara ke kehti call pe ke chuti lari. See how my mind works? I get idea bulbs and it's light work. So many idea bulbs that my eyes hurt. So many times I say the words, damn I like her. Dil peg number 1, dil peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dump, girl. Time and again, that's how it unfurls. It's like I'm stuck in a loop, I'm in a rut, but we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. We gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Let your bum go dum dum, it's a dumb world. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Duh, peg number 1, duh, peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dump, girl. Duh, peg number 1, duh, peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dump, dump, dump. Duh, peg number 1, duh, peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dump, girl. Ay, duh, peg number 1, duh, peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dump, dump. Yeah, twirl that, bum bum, full marks, get on but I want one. What you got? I want some. Dalal on the dum de dum dum. Ooh, they say look inside if you're looking for the truth. पर मैं जब आंखें बंद करूं दिखे सिर्फ तू मेरे oops, play it cool. I'm such a fool, but let them judge me. बातें मेरी कमी थोड़ी ढंग की. I sneeze when I lie, मेरी नीयत अच्छी. जिंदगी में रखे कुछ असूल नंबर 1 दोनों सब break the rules, shake it loose like change, pay your dues, pay respect. TQ, make the bass go boom, make it boom, make 'em wanna bum twirl. Let your bum go dum, it's a dumb world. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Let your bum go dum, it's a dumb world. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl. Ay, we gon' make 'em wanna bum twirl.
Listen, एक लौंडे को सांप ने उंगली पे डस दिया तो लौंडे ने उंगली काट दी. डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी. उंगली बोली You didn't have to cut me off, but you did, and it's driving me nuts. So मैं लोगों को जाके कह रहा हूँ कि bum twirl करें. Make 'em wanna bum twirl. ये बुरे दिन भी आने हुए क्या? ये bum twirl होता क्या है?
Oh, there were so many moments which I absolutely loved. Like it took me 15 seconds to get into the song, but like randomly road pe khade hoke bum twirl. Yeah.
This is, I think I said this in the OMG reaction. Hello, new favorite. Like, what is going on with this guy? He's so funny.
Yeah. He's
So
very
funny.
funny and very subtly funny. Like it's very like I'm funny, but am I? Do I know? Yes, I know I'm funny, but like, do you? Like it's very subtle kind of funny which he's got going. Very nice.
Very dry funny. But
Yeah.
he'll just say it and you move on. But can I just take a second to say Talal Qureshi never disappoints with the beat.
Yes.
It's always
Yes.
so freaking it just gets you. It just completely every single time. I don't we haven't reacted to anything from Talal that we've been like, that was an okay beat,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or the music was like no, oh my god, it's so freaking catchy. It completely gives you the right vibes. The drops, the
Bumps,
bass, everything. Yeah, oh my god.
I'm still grooving to it. So yeah, absolutely.
So that aside, you share your
Yes.
thoughts. Go for it.
Share my thoughts. See, it began with first I was like, "Acha, yahan kya ho raha hai?" Firstly, I must say his flow, his singing voice is really nice, and his singing flow has this very international feel to it. Like there's something about it which is very like. It's very groovy, but very like it also reminded me like 70s groovy. Like it was very nice. There's something very amazing about his voice and the way he sings. So that was there for one. Two, the music was fantastic because it constantly made me want to like. There were moments when I was like, "Wait, what is going on?" Because it takes you a while to get into their groove and what they're trying to do. And especially because the kind of day I'm having, I wasn't expecting this. Like I knew कि हो सकता है कुछ funny हो या interesting होगा, but it's just that it puts you on a pause mode and then pulls you into the song. So that's what happened. And yeah, overall, I really liked it. I loved that I could just laugh with this video and have fun and just like look at it and just chill. Like there were moments when I was like, will I listen to it again? And for the beat, yes. For the lyrics, no, because lyrics were very like, हाँ ठीक है आप सुनो, chill करो, enjoy करो and भूल जाओ. वैसे वाले थे.
Really?
So yeah.
Oh. For me, it was the lyrics and the beat. I really like. There were some really intelligent sort of wordplays and funny things that he twisted.
Absolutely.
He was like,
absolutely.
Dil phek, matlab, you can't throw it in the dump, girl.
Yes, those two were my favorite lines, by the way. I loved those two lines.
Yeah, and
like
then,
the way.
Yeah, he also said the I mujhe cheek jaise achhi something. That whole play there was hilarious. There are so many lines. I have to listen to it a couple of times with the lyrics in front of me to just point out. But I love the lyrics and even
so like, I count all that in the flow, like in the way the singer is putting it across. For me, like the lyrics could have been the same, but maybe another singer would have sung it in a very different way, right? And the way he sung it is what I like more than even the lyrics. So that's what I was trying to say. That, that it's his flow which I really enjoyed.
Yeah, his delivery was hilarious. It was so good because there were so many different like variations in it, and especially that whole bit where he's talking, that whole like mumble,
that joke which he was cracking. Doctor ke paas gaye.
So funny, and just different moments, even in the visual, in the video with the two of them. I have a feeling this guy who was acting with him is because it says here special thanks to Hamza, so he'll be like Hamza. I'm guessing he's an actor or he's a known personality because his acting was hilarious. It was so funny. So
initially it was cheeky, and then I was like, wait, what's going to happen? As the skit, is he going to give it back to him or will he join him? Which way can it go? Right in the beginning, I was like, and then he just kind of joined him. And then he was just like butt twirling, bum twirling constantly, which was hilarious. And Hollis really like those moves, they were really funny. I liked him. Yeah.
The moves are funny. I mean, he was standing in a dustbin at one point. Like it was hilarious. I was like, what is going on? This is hilarious. And the thing is, it's not like it looks like one of those polished videos. It's kind of the Hassan Rahim vibe that we are used to now from Hassan. It's like shot in the park in the in the gully and just it's so
that scene, shot in the parking lot. Yeah, main gully pe jahan pe ek jagah jahan parking nahi thi, he's just standing there and doing like that.
And even the last shot where I think he's meditating and the guy behind is like doing the bum twirl. It's so funny.
Just
Love.
overall really funny. Love
I
it.
can vibe to this like for a day non-stop. It's so good. Such a 1 second, the lyrics are here.
Acha.
मैं rap Dawn, DAWN
Down.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I can't. That's not alarming. That was funny. Okay, yes, I see. Get bulbs and it's light work. So many idea bulbs that my eyes hurt. So many times I say the words. Damn, I like her. Dil Peg #1. Dil Peg doesn't mean you get to throw it in the dub, girl. Time and again, that's how it unfolds. It's like I'm stuck in a loop. I'm in a rut. But nice. I'm gonna go through this later. But good stuff. Loving it. Loving the vibes. What have we heard so far? OMG and now this one. Tell us what else. Tell us what else. We want to explore Rosio more. I think I'm saying it right this time. Last time I said Roseo. It's Rosio.
Rosio.
Rosio. Okay. So lovely. Keep the recommendations coming. DM me on Instagram. Check out Ms. Bhola's channel. It's links below in the description. And take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.